Hi, I'm Ken Leba with InsurTech Express, and today I'm really excited to tell you about a new product on the marketplace that's going to change the way that you run UL illustrations, whether it's IUL or VUL. And the company and the product is called Proforce AI or Proforce AI Ledger. It has a patented technology, and here's the patent certificate. And we're going to put the full PDF of the patent on our website because I think it's very fascinating to read this patent. And this AI technology is one to many. You know, you see a lot AI, ChatGPT or whatever that's doing all this machine learning and capturing all of this data, which allows you to use it for different types of applications. But in this case, what we're going to do is take illustration scenarios, like a single scenario, a single illustration, and turn it into multiple scenarios using this Proforce AI tool. They call this an AI model with extra trees regressor, which are decision trees with probability, but it's very, very precise and it's compliant. So let me explain to you, how it works. So first of all, what we're talking about is running your normal illustration. Now, using an illustration system from a carrier, for example. Now, typically, if you want to try to make changes in different scenarios, you would do that back in your office because it takes some time to do it and calculate it. And then you're hopefully got the right ones for your client when you go to meet with your client. This is so fast and so easy, you can do it in real time in front of your client. And even if you're using a product like WinFlex, there are certain limitations that you can't do, or it takes a little bit of time to do it, to try to get to work with different numbers within a complex UL illustration. So again, it's precise, it's predictive, it's compliant, it's real time, and it's online. So let me show you how it works. So first, you run the carrier illustration as a base, as a starting point. And then we need to extract that ledger into Excel. And there are many ways to do it. Some illustration systems allow you just to export it into Excel, or you could use a program like Small PDF. That's a product that I use that'll pull out the ledger in the spreadsheet. And then we import into Proforce. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a quick demo, which is going to be conducted by Robert Strauss, who's the co-founder of Proforce. So take a look.
All right. Now what we're going to do is import the Hancock ledger. Click the upload file. Click the upload button and analyze with AI. And that identifies the patterns of the numbers, the nonlinear trend lines. Then we're going to click predict. And so this is the illustration that we want to make a prediction on. And let's scroll down, take a good look at it, and you can see it's got income coming out of $176,000. It's got about $3 million of death benefit. And let's make a few changes now. So let's highlight all the columns that we want to change and mark those as dependent columns. That turns everything blue. Let's say the client only wants to spend $75,000 instead of $100,000. Highlight that, click predict all. And now you can see that the income changed from $175,000 to $132,000. And all of the premiums have changed as well. Let's do a quick comparison table. And now we're going to compare the original data to the predicted data. We're going to now select the columns that we want to highlight, which means we're going to take the differential of those columns and also graph them simultaneously. So this all happens literally within seconds. And for good measure, let's include policy year, age, and premium in there and hit the compare button. And that creates the comparison table. This is in real time. That's how fast it was. Now let's get rid of the sidebar to make more space. You can see there's the original premium, and now the predicted premium is $75,000. The original income and the predicted income of $132,000. The differential there is $44,000. You've got your differential in Surrender value and death benefit. If you scroll down, you can see what it is by the year. And if you keep scrolling, you can actually see the charts on the columns that you took the differential on. There's the differential in premium and the differential in income. Keep scrolling down and you can see the difference between the predicted and the actual surrender value, as well as the predicted versus the actual death benefit. Very visual, very, very, very fast, very, very, very accurate. So fast and accurate that it's a good point of sale.
You can see how amazing this software is and how AI continues to change the life insurance industry. Now you can try the software yourself. There is a free trial period. You can sign up. Here's a link, and here's a QR code. So go ahead and click on that or type that into your browser, and you'll be able to try the software yourself with your illustrations. There's a monthly fee to use the software. It's very affordable. We're going to be adding all the Proforce stuff to in our self-service demo page, and all their product information onto our platform at InsurTechExpress.com. Thank you.